Finally, Ola Electric delivers the first batch of electric scooters to the customers on December 15th, 2021. Deliveries took place in two cities, Chennai and Bengaluru. Let's see what went well and what not. Coming to the positives first. In Bengaluru, 40 customers got their electric scooters delivered. One of our subscribers, who is a part of that event, said that all the 40 electric scooters are Ola S1 Pro. Even he mentioned Ola Electric first batch may contain only S1 Pro electric scooters. All the 40 customers picked up and dropped in individual Innova cars, which means 40 Innova cars for 40 customers. So owners felt happy for this. The next thing, the black scooter covers presented free for the first 40 customers, which is actually an accessory. And the fourth thing, the throttle response in normal mode is improved when compared with the response during test rides. Now the improvements parts. Our subscriber told that message from RTO came just 2 days before the delivery event. Ola Electric could have done the registration process in advance. It is very short notice. On December 15th, till evening, 15 scooters got delivered, where remaining owners' application got rejected online. So the remaining owners waited one more day for delivery. And the second thing, still many features in Ola S1 Pro not unlocked to customers like proximity sensor, voice commands, hill assist, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, etc. Even Ola Electric scooter app not provided to customers. And the third thing, the real range of Ola S1 is showing 135 kilometers in normal mode, 118 kilometers in sports mode, and 94 kilometers in hyper mode. So it is 46 kilometers less than IDC range of Ola S1 Pro, which means 46 kilometers for God, 135 kilometers for owners. Maybe riding with top speed of 30 to 40 km per hour can give customers range of 150 kilometers in the S1 Pro. Also, there is no hyper fast charging stations spotted in Chennai or Bengaluru. So it's a long way to go for hyper charge. For now, Ola S1 Pro is an offline scooter. Maybe in the coming weeks, Ola S1 gets online status. Anyway, we need to give more time for a newly delivered electric scooter to prove in market. Let the customers give the final judgment. Seems like Ola electric scooter is out for delivery status, but the real product went missing at the warehouse.
We are conducting an year-end EV survey. So the main motto of this survey is to get the response from the electric two-wheeler users. For example, if you are using an electric two-wheeler, how is the experience on an electric two-wheeler? So we'll give some options to the questions, and you can select this question and answer. So this survey can be helpful to get the data from you, so that we'll give reviews according to your usage. That is one point. For example, if you are a non-EV user, you can also mention in comments what kind of an electric two-wheeler you are looking for. For example, the range, speed, and the pricing. These details we can forward to companies also, so that companies can understand what kind of audience there are existing in the electric vehicle industry, so that they can plan according to that and they can give a reliable product to the customers. And we will provide the form link in the description below, and please fill the form.
Go green, go electric.